Question number 100. What is a Layer 3 network protocol? 3, 2, 1, 0. A Layer 3 network protocol operates at the network layer of the OSI model, which is responsible for routing data between devices on different networks. Examples include IP, ICMP, and IPX. Question number 99. What is the difference between IPv4 and IPv6? 3, 2, 1, 0. IPv4 uses 32-bit addresses, providing approximately 4.3 billion unique addresses. IPv6 uses 128-bit addresses, which can accommodate a virtually unlimited number of unique addresses. Question number 98. What is ICMP and how does it work? 3, 2, 1, 0. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, is used by devices to send error messages and operational information about IP packet processing. The most common ICMP messages are destination unreachable and echo request. Ping. Question number 97. What is ARP and its purpose in networking? 3, 2, 1, 0. ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, is used to map a network layer address, IP address, to a data link layer address, MAC address. It helps devices communicate over the local network. Question number 96. What is a subnet mask and how does it work? 3, 2, 1, 0. A subnet mask is a 32-bit number used in conjunction with an IP address to identify which portion of the IP address corresponds to the network and which part corresponds to the host. Question number 95. What is CIDR notation? 3, 2, 1, 0. CIDR, Classless Interdomain Routing notation, is a compact representation of an IP address and its associated network mask. It's written as an IP address followed by a slash and the subnet length, e.g. 192.168.1.0/24. Question number 94. What is the purpose of a routing table? 3, 2, 1, 0. A routing table contains information about the paths that data packets take across networks. It helps routers decide where to forward packets based on destination IP addresses. Question number 93. Explain the difference between routing and bridging. 3, 2, 1, 0. Routing involves forwarding packets between different networks, while bridging connects networks at the data link layer, Layer 2, without the need for IP addressing. Question number 92. What is OSPF and how does it work? 3, 2, 1, 0. OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, is a link state routing protocol used within an autonomous system. It determines the best path for data using the Dijkstra algorithm to find the shortest path to each network. Question number 91. What is the difference between a router and a switch? 3, 2, 1, 0. A A router operates at layer 3 of the OSI model and routes packets between networks, while a switch operates at layer 2 and forwards data between devices within the same network. Question number 90. What is BGP and how does it function? 3, 2, 1, 0. BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, is an inter-domain routing protocol that exchanges routing information between different autonomous systems. It is path vector based, using as paths to avoid routing loops. Question number 89. What are the advantages of OSPF over RIP? OSPF is more efficient, scalable, and supports larger networks compared to RIP. OSPF uses cost as a metric, while RIP uses hop count, limiting RIP's scalability. Question number 88. What is MPLS and how is it used in Layer 3 networking? MPLS, multi-protocol label switching, is used to improve the speed and efficiency of network traffic flow by assigning labels to data packets, enabling faster and more efficient routing. Question number 87. What is the role of the TTL field in an IP packet? TTL, time to live, prevents infinite loops in the network by limiting the number of hops a packet can take. It decreases by 1 with each router hop, and when it reaches 0, the packet is discarded. Question number 86. What is a default gateway? A default gateway is the device that routes traffic from a local network to devices on different networks or the Internet. It is typically a router. Question number 85. Explain the concept of network segmentation. Network segmentation involves dividing a larger network into smaller, more manageable subnetworks, subnets. It improves performance and security by isolating traffic. Question number 84. What is the purpose of NAT, network address translation? NAT modifies IP address information in the packet header to allow multiple devices within a local network to share a single public IP address. Question number 83. How does RIP, Routing Information Protocol, work? RIP is a distance vector routing protocol that uses hop count as a metric. It shares routing information between routers to find the best path for packet delivery. Question number 82. What is a VPN and how does it use Layer 3 protocols? A VPN, Virtual Private Network, uses Layer 3 protocols like IP to securely route traffic across public networks, ensuring privacy by encrypting data. Question number 81. What is the function of a router? A router directs data packets between different networks, making decisions based on IP addresses and routing protocols to find the best path for the data to reach its destination. Question number 80. What is the purpose of the ICMP protocol? 3, 2, 1, 0. ICMP is used for error reporting and diagnostic functions in the IP protocol. Commonly used for the ping command to check network connectivity. Question number 79. What is a Layer 3 switch? 3, 2, 1, 0. A Layer 3 switch operates at Layer 3, the network layer, of the OSI model, combining the features of a router and a switch. It can route traffic between different networks but works faster due to hardware acceleration. Question number 78. Explain the process of packet forwarding in IP networking. 3, 2, 1, 0. Packet forwarding involves examining the destination IP address of a packet, checking the routing table for a matching path, and sending the packet to the next hop or destination. Question number 77. What is the purpose of subnetting? 3, 2, 1, 0. Subnetting divides a large network into smaller subnetworks, allowing better use of IP address space, easier network management, and improved security. Question number 76. What is VLSM, variable length subnet masking? 3, 2, 1, 0. VLSM allows network administrators to divide an IP address into subnets of different sizes, providing more flexibility in network design. Question number 75. How does a router determine the best path? 3, 2, 1, 0. Routers use routing protocols like OSPF, BGP, or RIP to determine the best path by comparing metrics like hop count, bandwidth, or cost associated with each route. Question number 74. What is the role of the network layer in the OSI model? 3, 2, 1, 0. The network layer, Layer 3, is responsible for routing, forwarding, and addressing data packets between devices across different networks. Question number 73. What is the purpose of a loopback address in networking? 3, 2, 1, 0. A loopback address, 127.0.0.1, is used by a device to test its own network interface, ensuring the TCP/IP stack functions properly. Question number 72. What is the difference between internal and external routing protocols? 3, 2, 1, 0. Internal routing protocols, IGPs, like OSPF and RIP work within an autonomous system, while external routing protocols, EGPs, like BGP, communicate between different autonomous systems. Question number 70. What is a routing loop? 3, 2, 1, 0. A routing loop occurs when a packet is continuously passed between routers, unable to reach its destination. This usually happens due to incorrect routing table entries or protocol misconfiguration. Question number 69. How does IP fragmentation work? 3, 2, 1, 0. IP fragmentation breaks large packets into smaller fragments for transmission, with each fragment containing the necessary information to be reassembled by the destination device. Question number 68. What is a 30 subnet mask used for? 3, 2, 1, 0. A 30 subnet mask 255.255.255.252 is typically used for point-to-point links, where only 2 IP addresses are needed, one for each device. Question number 67. What is the function of a DNS server in Layer 3 networking? A DNS domain name system server resolves human-readable domain names to IP addresses, enabling devices to locate each other on the network. Question number 66. What is a static route? 3, 2, 1, 0. A static route is a manually configured path in a router's routing table. It does not change unless the administrator manually alters it. Question number 65. What is a dynamic route? 3, 2, 1, 0. A dynamic route is a route that is automatically learned by a router through the use of dynamic routing protocols such as OSPF, RIP, or BGP. Question number 64. What is the difference between Layer 2 and Layer 3 VPNs? 3, 2, 1, 0. Layer 2 VPNs operate at the data link layer, while Layer 3 VPNs operate at the network layer, routing traffic between different networks. Layer 3 VPNs offer more flexibility and security. Question number 63. What is the purpose of the ping command in Layer 3? 3, 2, 1, 0. The ping command uses ICMP to test network connectivity between devices by sending echo request packets and receiving echo reply packets. Question number 62. How does an IP address differ from a MAC address? 3, 2, 1, 0. An IP address operates at Layer 3, network layer, and is used for routing, while a MAC address operates at Layer 2, data link layer, and is used for identifying devices on the local network. Question number 61. What is the function of ARP in Layer 3 networking? 3, 2, 1, 0. ARP maps IP addresses to MAC addresses so that devices on a local network can communicate using physical addressing. Question number 60. What are the advantages of IPv6 over IPv4? 3, 2, 1, 0. IPv6 provides a larger address space, better security features, and improved routing efficiency compared to IPv4. Question number 59. How does IP addressing work in networking? 3, 2, 1, 0. IP addressing assigns unique identifiers to devices within a network, allowing them to communicate with each other. IPv4 uses 32-bit addresses, while IPv6 uses 128-bit addresses. Question number 58. What is the purpose of the ICMP echo reply message? 3, 2, The ICMP echo reply message is sent in response to an echo request, confirming the device is reachable over the network. Question number 57. What is a broadcast storm? 3, 2, 1, 0. A broadcast storm occurs when there is an excessive amount of broadcast traffic in a network, leading to congestion and network downtime. Question number 56. What is the difference between classful and classless IP addressing? 3, 2, 1, 0. Classful addressing divides IP addresses into fixed classes A, B, C, while classless addressing CIDR allows for more flexible subnetting and allocation of IP address space. Question number 55. What is an autonomous system, as? 3, 2, 1, 0. An autonomous system, as, is a collection of IP networks and routers under the control of a single organization that shares a common routing policy. Question number 54. What is the role of the IP header? 3, 2, 1, 0. The IP header contains crucial information such as source and destination IP addresses, protocol type, and packet length, enabling correct packet routing and delivery. Question number 53. What is a routing metric? 3, 2, 1, 0. A routing metric is a value used by routing protocols to determine the best path for data. Common metrics include hop count, bandwidth, and delay. Question number 52. What is the difference between a unicast, multicast, and broadcast address? 3, 2, 1, 0. Unicast sends data to a single destination. Multicast sends data to a group of devices. And broadcast sends data to all devices on a network. Question number 51. How does BGP handle routing updates? 3, 2, 1, 0. BGP uses path vector protocol to send routing updates to other routers. It updates based on these paths, and the receiving router then updates its routing table. Question number 50. What is the difference between distance vector and link state routing protocols? 3, 2, 1, 0. Distance vector protocols use hop count as a metric and periodically send full routing tables, while link state protocols exchange only updates of changes and use algorithms like Dijkstra. Question number 49. How does OSPF avoid routing loops? 3, 2, 1, 0. OSPF uses a link state algorithm and advertises information about the network topology. It avoids routing loops by using a unique identifier for each router and ensuring loop-free routes. Question number 48. What is IP fragmentation and how is it handled? 3, 2, 1, 0. IP fragmentation splits large packets into smaller units to accommodate network limitations, with each fragment carrying the necessary reassembly information. Question number 47. What is the role of a network interface card, NIC, in Layer 3 networking? 3, 2, 1, 0. A NIC provides physical connectivity to a network, allowing devices to communicate by linking data from the physical layer to higher layers, including Layer 3. Question number 46. What is DNS resolution? 3, 2, 1, 0. DNS resolution is the process of converting a human-readable domain name into an IP address that computers can use to communicate with each other. Question number 45. What is the difference between a Layer 3 switch and a router? 3, 2, 1, 0. Both devices can perform routing, but a Layer 3 switch operates faster using hardware-based forwarding, while a router typically uses software-based forwarding. Question number 44. What is OSPF Hello Protocol? 3, 2, 1, 0. The OSPF Hello Protocol is used to establish and maintain neighbor relationships between OSPF routers, ensuring synchronization of routing information. Question number 43. What is RIB, routing information base? 3, 2, 1, 0. The RIB is a database in a router that stores the routes learned from various routing protocols, helping the router to determine the best path. Question number 42. What is a route map in networking? 3, 2, 1, 0. A route map is a set of rules applied to routes to control the route selection process based on various criteria, such as IP addresses, metrics, and prefixes. Question number 41. What are the types of routing protocols used in Layer 3? 3, 2, 1, 0. Common routing protocols include RIP, OSPF, BGP, EIGRP, and IS, each designed for different network environments and requirements. Question number 40. How does a router handle a packet with no route? 3, 2, 1, 0. If a router cannot find a route in its table for a packet, it sends an ICMP destination unreachable message back to the source device. Question number 39. What is the difference between split horizon and poison reverse in routing? Split horizon prevents routing information from being sent back out of the same interface, while poison reverse explicitly advertises a route with an infinite metric to avoid loops. Question number 38. What is the function of the BGP as path attribute? The as path is a list of as numbers a route has traversed. It helps prevent routing loops and influences route selection by favoring shorter as paths. Question number 37. How does OSPF work in a multi-area network? 3, 2, 1, 0. OSPF uses a hierarchical network structure with areas to optimize routing. The backbone area, Area 0, connects other areas, reducing routing table size and improving efficiency. Question number 36. What is the role of a next hop address in routing? 3, 2, 1, 0. The next hop address is the IP address of the next router a packet should go to on its way to its Destination. It helps routers decide how to forward packets. Question number 35. What is the purpose of VLSM, variable length subnet mask? 3, 2, 1, 0. VLSM allows different subnet masks within the same network, optimizing IP address allocation and increasing network efficiency. Question number 34. What is the difference between RIPv1 and RIPv2? 3, 2, 1, 0. RIPv1 is classful and does not support VLSM, while RIPv2 is classless, supports VLSM, and includes authentication features. Question number 33. What is the concept of route aggregation? 3, 2, 1, 0. Route aggregation combines several IP prefixes into a single, broader network prefix to reduce the size of routing tables. Question number 32. What is a default route? 3, 2, 1, 0. A default route is a route used by a router when no specific route to a destination is found in the routing table, typically pointing to the next hop router. Question number 31. What is the role of the IP address in routing? An IP address uniquely identifies a device on a network. It is used by routers to determine where to send data packets based on the destination address. Question number 30. What is OSPF's cost metric? 3, 2, 1, 0. OSPF uses cost as its metric to select the best route, where cost is calculated based on the bandwidth of the link. Lower cost values indicate preferred routes. Question number 29. How does DHCP work with Layer 3? 3, 2, 1, 0. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, assigns IP addresses to devices on a network, enabling automatic configuration of Layer 3 addressing. Question number 28. What is the difference between TCP and UDP in routing protocols? 3, 2, 1, 0. TCP is connection-oriented and ensures reliable delivery, while UDP is connectionless and faster, often used in protocols like RIP and OSPF for routing updates. Question number 27. What is the function of the TTL, time to live, field in an IP packet? 3, 2, 1, 0. The TTL field limits the lifespan of a packet to prevent it from circulating indefinitely in the network. Each router decrements the TTL, and if it reaches 0, the packet is discarded. Question number 26. What is the purpose of NAT, network address translation, in Layer 3? 3, 2, 1, 0. NAT translates private IP addresses to public ones, allowing multiple devices within a private network to share a single public IP address for Internet access. Question number 25. What is CIDR, classless interdomain routing? 3, 2, 1, 0. CIDR is a method of allocating IP addresses and routing IP packets. replacing traditional classful addressing with a more flexible and efficient system. Question number 24. What is the purpose of the ICMP protocol in Layer 3? 3, 2, 1, 0. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, is used for error reporting and diagnostics in IP networks, such as with the ping command. Question number 23. What is the difference between IPv4 and IPv6 routing? 3, 2, 1, 0. IPv4 uses 32-bit addressing, while IPv6 uses 128-bit addressing, providing a larger address space and more efficient routing. Question number 22. What is the significance of the metric in routing? 3, 2, 1, 0. A metric is a value used by routing protocols to determine the best route to a destination. Common metrics include hop count, bandwidth, and delay. Question number 21. What are the key differences between RIPv2 and OSPF? 3, 2, 1, 0. RIPv2 is distance vector and simpler, while OSPF is link state, more scalable, and supports hierarchical network design. Question number 20. What is the role of a routing protocol? 3, 2, 1, 0. A routing protocol determines how routers communicate with each other to exchange route information, allowing them to determine the best path for data. Question number 19. What is a Layer 3 switch? 3, 2, 1, 0. A Layer 3 switch operates at both Layer 2 and Layer 3, performing switching and routing functions to manage traffic within a network. Question number 18. What is the difference between RIP and EIGRP? RIP is a distance vector protocol, whereas EIGRP is a hybrid protocol that uses features of both distance vector and link state protocols for more efficient routing. Question number 17. What is the purpose of an IP subnet mask? 3, 2, 1, 0. An IP subnet mask defines the range of IP addresses within a network, determining which part of an IP address identifies the network and which part identifies the host. Question number 16. How does OSPF prevent routing loops? 3, 2, 1, 0. OSPF uses a link state database and Dijkstra's algorithm to calculate the shortest path, preventing routing loops and ensuring accurate routing information. Question number 15. What is the significance of the metric in a route selection process? 3, 2, 1, 0. The metric is a value assigned to a route by routing protocols to determine the best path. A lower metric generally indicates a better or preferred route. Question number 14. What is an IP header? 3, 2, 1, 0. The IP header contains control information such as the source and destination IP addresses, packet length, and the protocol used, ensuring proper packet delivery. Question number 13. What is a network mask? 3, 2, 1, 0. A network mask is used to determine the portion of an IP address that represents the network and the portion that identifies the host. Question number 12. What is a router's role in Layer 3 networking? 3, 2, 1, 0. A router directs traffic between different networks by using routing tables and protocols to determine the best path for packets. Question number 11. What is the difference between OSPF and EIGRP? 3, 2, 1, 0. OSPF is an open standard link state protocol, while EIGRP is a Cisco proprietary hybrid protocol that combines distance vector and link state methods. Question number 10. What is a Class C IP address? 3, 2, 1, 0. A Class C IP address is part of a range used for small networks, supporting up to 254 hosts with a default subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Question number 9. What are the two primary types of IP addresses? 3, 2, 1, 0. The two primary types of IP addresses are public, used for routing on the Internet, and private, used within a local network. Question number 8. What is OSPF? OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, is a link state routing protocol used to find the best path for data exchange. It uses Dijkstra's algorithm to calculate the shortest path first. Question number 7. What are the different types of OSPF areas? OSPF areas are divided into backbone, area 0, stub areas, not so stubby areas, NSSA, and totally stubby areas to optimize network efficiency. Question number 6. How does OSPF calculate the best path? OSPF uses the Dijkstra algorithm to calculate the best path based on the cost, which is the inverse of bandwidth. The lowest cost path is chosen. Question number 5. What is a subnet mask? 3, 2, 1, 0. A subnet mask defines the range of IP addresses in a subnet, separating the network and host portions of the address. Question number 4. What is a default gateway? 3, 2, 1, 0. A default gateway is the router through which a device communicates with destinations outside its local network. It is used when no specific route is found in the routing table. Question number 3. What is the purpose of ICMP? 3, 2, 1, 0. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, is used for error reporting, diagnostics, like ping, and routing feedback within an IP network. Question number 2. What is the difference between IPv4 and IPv6? 3, 2, 1, 0. IPv4 uses 32-bit addresses, while IPv6 uses 128-bit addresses. allowing for a larger address space and more efficient routing. IPv6 also has improved security features. Question number 1. What is routing? 3, 2, 1, 0. Routing is the process of selecting paths in a network along which data packets are forwarded. Routers use routing protocols and tables to determine the best route.